Okay student, today we will start the next lesson, lesson number 6, formatting a presentation. Okay, for that I will open MS PowerPoint. To open the MS PowerPoint, click on start. Okay, search here MS PowerPoint. See, in Microsoft Office there is Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, click on that. Now we will learn more thing about this PowerPoint. See, our lesson name is formatting a presentation. Formatting means changing the background, changing the font, changing the color, changing the font style, applying different background. So making these changes is called formatting a presentation. So in this lesson we will do the formatting. So our first point is slide master. Okay, what is slide master? It is a slide that store information about font, color, effect, background, theme and size of placeholder. See, this is the placeholder and their position in the presentation. So, I will show you. Go in the view tab. Okay, here is the slide master. So, click on that. See, one slide will automatically added here. This is called a slide master. This is the master slide, means main slide which contain information about the remaining slide. Master means the main person. So this is a main or master slide. So it is called the slide master. Now we will see one by one point. We will see the first point, a text, how to add a text box to a slide master. Okay, for that just open the slide master by clicking on view tab, then go to insert. Here is a text box. Okay, click on the text box and draw a text box here. Okay, text box is a placeholder which holds some text. Okay, text box. This is a box of dotted lines which hold the text. Now I will type here one text. Text means character or word. Super computer. Okay, I will increase the font so you can just see it properly. It is visible properly. Okay, so this is a text box. Now we'll see how to apply a theme to slide master. Theme means the theme provide the ready-made design. Okay, so click on the theme, insert, go to slide master. Here are themes. See the ready-made designs. Which one design you like, that you select. Okay, see, this design is automatically applied to remaining slide also. See here. So this is a ready-made design. It is called a theme. Now if you want to change the color of the theme, you can change. Okay, see here. Now I don't want this color, black color. I want some colorful scheme. So you can do it. Okay, the same way you can select the background color also. Suppose if you want colorful, just click on format background. Okay, now if you want to feel solid color, you can feel, just select the color, click on apply to all. See, this blue color get applied to all the slide. Okay, and if you want to set the gradient fill option, gradient fill means if you want to set more than two colors, see here in the fill option downside gradient fill is there. Okay, just choose any color scheme. See here, it get applied means ready-made two color combinations applied to our slide. Then we will see pattern fill. Okay, now I will select one pattern here, bricks pattern, or I will show you this downward diagonal line. This pattern get applied to all the slide. Okay, in this way you can apply any pattern, picture, text effect to your slide. See, water droplet I just applied to my slide. So in this way you can change the background of your slide. Then we will see how to do the animation and transition. Okay, animation are the special effect that is added to our text or object. Okay, animation means some movement is there. There are two things, animation and transition. Okay, the transition is applied to slide and animation is applied to object. Okay, object means here. Have you seen a supercomputer text? I will delete this unnecessary thing so you can just view these things clearly. COMPUTER. Okay, computer word is there. Now I will give animation to this computer word. Just select this word. Okay, here are some animation. Just select which one you like. I will select spin. See here how it gets spin. Okay, is it interesting? Now I will select bounce. See how it get bounce. Swell, it rotate on one place. Zoom, it get zoom. Grow and turn. See, so many interesting animations are here. Which one you like, that you can select. Or Twitter, see, it get move on one place. Spin, rotate in its own axis. So this is called animation and that we can apply to a text. Now okay, transition is applied to slide. See, these are the slides. So to apply the transition, click on transition. These are some effect. Transition are the motion effect which are applied to slide. Okay, I will apply honeycomb. See this. For this slide I will apply ripple. Wow. For third slide I will apply clock. Isn't it looks nice? Sheared. Dissolve. Okay, now I will run this presentation. How it looks you can see. Just click on play. See how it looks from here. Okay, it play only one presentation. So in this way you can apply transition to a slide. Keep in mind that transition effect is applied to slide and animation effect is applied to any text or picture. Okay, in this way we can do the formatting. Again I will repeat these things. Just first of all we click on the view. Here we took slide master slide. Okay, slide master is a master slide which contain information about remaining slide. Then we learn format. In the formatting we learn how to change the color, even how to change the background style. Okay, just click on format background and from here you can change the background style. Okay, then we learn animation and transition. To learn the animation I just type one word computer. I just selected that word or text. Okay, and then click on the animation and that effect is applied to slide. Okay, sorry, that effect is applied to text or image. And to give the animation, to give the motion effect to slide, just click on transition and from here you can select the transition effect. Okay, understand?